Okay, in this video, we're going to do an example of simple interest. And the question says that Oakwood Plowing Company purchased 2 new plows for the upcoming winter. And in 200 days, Oakwood must make a single payment of $23,751 to pay off the plows. But as of today, Oakwood only has $23,400. Assume that Oakwood puts the money in a bank today. At what rate of interest will it need to pay off the plows in 200 days? So the company needs $23,751 to make its payment in 200 days. But they only have $23,400. So how much they still need, if I subtract, will be the amount of interest that they're going to earn. So if I subtract 23,751 minus 23,400, we can see that they still need $351 to pay off this loan. So that's how much they want to make in interest in that 200 days. Now it says the time is 200 days, but remember, we always want to make sure when we use our circle and we're doing simple interest that the time is in years. So we have to divide by either 300 or 360 depending on if it's exact or ordinary interest. Now in the problem, it says use ordinary interest. We're going to use 360 days. So to convert this to years, we're going to do 200 divided by 360 for the time in years. The interest rate given in the problem says, let's see. Oh, that's what we're trying to find. So I'm going to put a question mark here. We're trying to find how much does the interest rate need to be. And then the principal, of course, is how much they have, which is the $23,400. That's what they want to invest in the bank, earn some interest so they can get the rest of the money to pay off the plows. So we're going to put all of this information in the circle. The amount of interest that they want to earn is $351. The principal is $23,400. The rate is what we're looking for, so I'll leave a question mark there. And then the time in years is 200 divided by 360. So on the calculator, I'm going to do 351 divided by 23,400 times 200 over 360. Now I want to make sure I put parentheses around the denominator so that the calculator knows all of that is in the denominator. Otherwise, it's going to do 351 divided by 23,400 only. It's going to think only 23,400 is in the denominator and then take that answer and multiply by 200 over 360. By putting the parentheses in the denominator, we're telling that the calculator that 200 over 360 is also in the denominator. Now, this is the division line. So think of this as your fraction bar, which is why the 351 is on top. And these are the multiplication lines, which is why these are in the denominator and we're multiplying these. Okay, when we put that in on the calculator, if we're very careful, we are going to get 2.70%. My cat just tried to jump on my screen, which is why the keyboard popped up. Okay, so when you do that on your calculator, of course, you're going to get a decimal value, but remember, I should add that in. You take what you get for your decimal value and multiply it by 100 to put it back into percent form. So in order for this company to earn the $351 that they still need in order to make this payment off for their loan, they need at least 2.7% interest.